Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to discuss new topic, standard deviation. So this is the symbol we denote sigma by standard deviation. Now sigma equals to under root sigma summation x minus x bar whole square upon n, where x are the observations and x bar is arithmetic mean, n is total number of observations. So quickly we will know about the theory. Standard deviation, the concept of standard deviation, it is introduced by the Carl Pearsons in 1893, and the standard deviation, it is widely used to find out the spreadability and variability in the given data or sample. If numbers are very close to each other, then standard deviation will be close to 0. If numbers in the given sample are dispersed, so we can see the variation or standard deviation will be more varied. Fine. Now, the another thing is, this is the formula. Now, if we take the square of the standard deviation, then it is called the variance. So it is also most important if sometimes in the exam the question comes how much is the variation in the given sample. So we will easily find out standard deviation, and then we can take the square of this standard deviation, we will find out the variation. So if we take the square, sigma square, it is known as variance. So this is called variance. Got it? So there are two questions covered in this video. First one is standard deviation and the second one is variance. So it is called under root, if we take the square of the sigma standard deviation, this is called variance. Now come to the calculation of the standard deviation. See, there are two types of data. First one is ungrouped data and the second one is group data. I have uploaded my one video about this topic. If you want to study in detail, you can go and check it. I'm just telling you in a short way. See, the standard, the group data, ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is where no frequency is given. This type of data is independent data. Only observations will be given in the question. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So only observations will be given in the question. This is called ungrouped data. The other side, group data, where frequency will be given in the question. This data we can write like this. Here observations will be given, and then here frequencies will be given, any 2, 3, 5 or 6, so on. So this type of data is called group data. So this data is group data where frequency is given in the question. If no frequency is given in the question, it means that it is ungrouped data. So first we are going to calculate a standard deviation for ungrouped data. So for calculation of standard deviation for ungrouped data, there are also two ways to find out standard deviation from actual mean, and the other one is to find out standard deviation from the assumed mean. So both formulas are different. Okay. So first is standard deviation from actual mean. And the second one is standard deviation from assumed mean. I am writing in short. Standard deviation from assumed mean. So the first one is standard deviation from the actual mean. The formula is this. Standard deviation from the actual mean, x bar. X bar is the actual mean. Now the second one, standard deviation from the assumed mean. Assumed mean is D, deviation. So the formula will be different. Its formula is sigma equals to under root sigma D squared upon n minus sigma D upon n whole square, where D is deviation and to calculate D, formula is x minus a. D equals to x minus a, where this a is assumed mean. Assumed mean. Fine. So to calculate standard deviation, we have two ways, two methods. Standard deviation from actual mean, the formula is this, and the second method is standard deviation from the assumed mean. D equals to x minus a, where a is assumed mean and the formula is this, sigma D square upon n minus sigma D by n whole square. So I hope guys you understood a little bit about the standard deviation. In my next video, we will do the calculation. We will pick some question on numerical and then we will put these two formulas. So these two calculation we will do in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye. And one more thing, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications also. So bye guys.